Hello students, welcome to Pathak Maths Academy. Today we are going to study one of the basic concept of linear algebra. Linear algebra is totally depend on matrices and matrices depend on the determinant. So we should study the determinant in depth. In this lecture, we are going to start with the determinant. We are going to see the definition, then order of determinant and value of determinant. So let's start with the determinant of order 2. A, B, C, D are the elements of determinant and this is the value of determinant. How can we calculate its value? Just take diagonal elements first. Just take these diagonal elements first and product of those two elements. Then take the product of non-diagonal elements. They are B and C. This is B into C and make a difference of them or subtract the product of non-diagonal elements from product of diagonal elements. So AD minus BC is the value of this determinant of order 2. Let's see one example, 1, 2, 4 and minus 1. So how can we calculate its value? Using this method, diagonal elements or main diagonal elements are 1 and minus 1. So make the product of it 1 into minus 1 minus the product of non-diagonal elements 2 into 4. So it would be minus 1 minus 8. So minus 9. So in this way we can calculate the value of determinant of order 2. Now moving towards the determinant of order 3. We can calculate the value of determinant of order 2. Let's see one example. Where directly give the elements of the determinant and then calculate its value. So this is of order 3rd or this is of order 3 determinant because it contains 3 rows and 3 columns. So let's start or let's calculate the value. We can expand this determinant using first row as well as second and as well as third row. Similarly, we can expand this determinant using columns also. So there are total number of 6 ways to expand this determinant. Now we are going to expand this determinant using first row. So take first element of first column, then skip that row and column in which the first element is lie and take the remaining elements as a minor or the determinant. So 0, 1, 6, 3. Now, then take the second element with a minus sign. So it is a minus of minus 1 and skip that row and column in which minus 1 lies and take the remaining elements as a minor. So 2, 1, 5, 3. 2, 1, 5, 3. Then next element of first row is 3. Skip the row and the column in which 3 is lies and take the minor of the remaining elements 2, 0, 5, 6. So see here, these all are the determinants of order 2 and just we have studied the value of determinant of order 2. So this is 1. Now make the product first of diagonal elements. So it is 0 minus 6 into 1 is 6. So it is minus minus plus. Now product of main diagonal elements it is 6 minus product of non-diagonal elements 5 into 1 is 5 plus 3. Product of main diagonal element is 12 minus 5 into 0 is 0. So it is again minus 6 plus 1 plus 36. So it would be 30 plus 1 that is 31. So this is the value of third order determinant. In this way we can expand the more order determinants also. We can expand the determinants using first row, second row or we can expand it using first column, second column as well as third column. So this is all about the value and order of the determinant. Thank you.